Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today I am writing self-introduction for school student. Good morning everyone, my name is Shoaib. I am 9 years old. I live in Lahore with my parents and grandparents. My father works as a computer engineer in Lahore. My mother is a housewife. My favorite subject is English, math, and computer. My hobbies are watching movies and reading books. I like go on trips. I am very punctual and intelligent student.